it's going to be absolutely amazing. This location is purpose made for this sort of a hunting style competition.
We're at Leggotts Quarry today, just doing a quick run round. Christian's getting some homework done in advance of the NRL Hunter UK match we're running on the 1st and 2nd of February. For those who haven't been to Leggotts Quarry, it's a fantastic venue, multiple firing points, fantastic scenery and opportunity to run a 2-2 NRL Hunter match. You've been out today setting up. What can people expect?
Yeah, so we're going to be running stages across 2 days. Obviously, for an NRL Hunter match, we need to make sure that all of the stages are blind. So what I've been doing is a full reconnaissance of the range, making sure that I'm identifying all the firing points, all of the positions for the target arrays, just making sure that we keep all targets within 20 to about 200, 250 metres. This being a rimfire match, but it's going to be absolutely amazing. This location is purpose made for this sort of a hunting style competition.
And we're making a weekend of it. Well, Friday and Saturday, Sunday. People are getting here on Friday night. We'll be shooting Saturday and Sunday, camping over with a barbecue and a nice family spirit. So make sure, if you're not already booked on, come the 1st of January, get yourself booked on, and we'll look forward to seeing you then.
Yeah, look forward to seeing you. Okay, 1 target, 4 positions. Got your magazine?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll bring the binos. Ready?
Do you need a bag? No, you got a stick.
Okay, go.
Alright, come forward.
Yeah, of course, yeah.
I'm going to say I'm not shooting it, so I'm not going to get anything damage, am I?
Okay, so first thing, if you want to put the rifle pointing out in a safe direction, open that up. Put it on the ground above the sighting post. Then ideally what you want to do is just on your knees and then have a look through the binos, and remember you've got your 2 pegs at the front, so you want to be somewhere out through them.
Quite blurry.
Do you want to adjust them?
Unless it's just the fog. Is it still a white target?
Yeah, there's a little wheel on top there that you can turn to adjust the focus.
That one?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm going to struggle finding it again.
Just scan around.
What's it look like?
Just a white round, large round white target.
Feels going to be animals.
Have a look at where those 2 posts are at the front, just in front of you, because you were looking too far to the right there.
Which part?
So these 2 pegs here,
Okay.
you were looking beyond them. You want to be looking in between them.
I found it.
Found it, brilliant. Right, okay. Right, go on, try it now.
Yeah.
Okay. Impact! Okay, next position. Point, don't worry about the time. So bring the tripod over to this one. Same again. Shut that up. Impact, next position. Now you can leave the the tripod, sorry, because you can go prone on these next 2.
Either one of them.
Yeah, you choose which one you want to shoot from.
Good data. Happy to take pictures.
Go for it. Impact, next position.
Really lovely. Really good, really good, mate.
Re-engage. Impact, good shooting. Well done.
Yeah. Well done.
That was a good run.
Really good, well done. Very well done.
Good run. Well done. Happy with that? Try putting the bipod over the hill. A bit further forward.
That's a good idea.
That's it. There you go.
Good fire.
Good shooting. That's it.
It's so much easier when you can see them.
Yeah. Minute left.
That's it, so is that it, no more
Yeah,
shooting?
just drop magazine. Right, okay.
Right, yeah.
Did you shoot one of these?
No, I
You
haven't
haven't
shot
shot
one
one
of
of these, right? So basically, you've got a target somewhere out there.
Yep.
Do you see the 3 pegs on the floor, the 3 orange pegs?
Yep.
If you stand over the back peg,
Yeah.
your target won't be outside of that cone.
Yes, it's within that. Yeah.
That creates a cone.
Yeah.
It won't be outside of that.
Yep.
So you're pretty much looking straight through there,
Yeah.
through those 2 pegs. Once you've found the target, it should be, well, people have been hitting it with that, so you won't have to range it, you just need to find it. Then you've got 4 positions. So you've got to engage that one target from each position.
Yeah.
If you hit it on the first shot, you move on to the next position. If you miss, you re-engage.
Yeah.
On your second shot, if you hit it or miss it, you move to the next
one,
position. 2 points for a first round hit, 1 point for a second round hit. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Great. Right, you've got 4 minutes. So I'll lend you some binos. If you grab the rifle. Okay, you ready? Go. So yeah, rifle in a safe direction. That's fine.
Yeah.
Take the binos,
Yep.
and then you want to stand over that first peg and look through the front 2 pegs to try and find the target. Take your time. You've probably got a minute and a half that you can spend looking for it.
Yeah, I think I've got it.
Got it?
Yep.
Okay. If you're happy with that, I'll take them.
Yep.
And then you can choose whatever position to start from.
Yep.
In park, next position. Next position.
Is it okay? So use the...
Yep. Very wise, because you probably won't see it from the floor. Next position. I'd say that was an impact. Sounded like it.
So, yeah.
Yeah. Good run. Really well done. I think you've got loads of time left there. Do you do any hunting yourself, or
Nope.
you had 2 minutes left on the clock there?
Oh, that's all right then.
That was a brilliant run. Really, really good. Well done.
Yeah.
Right, that's it.